Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you for your purchase. In this video, we will help you get started on how to apply your Quran tabs to your mushaf. First, find your alignment guide in your package. You will see that it has 3 pop-ups labeled A, B, and C. These are to help hold the guide in the correct position next to your pages. Pull and fold so the pop-ups stay up. On the alignment guide, you will find 5 templates in the shape of Quran tabs. These will be used to help your placement of the tabs and help ensure your tab placement stays consistent. Use the alignment guide to determine how many tabs will fit on your mushaf from top to bottom. Find your first surah. Position your alignment guide so the top edge is aligned with the top of your page and use the pops to hold the position of the guide. Next, peel your first surah tab. Lift your page gently and place the tab adhesive side up on the first template. Allow the page to come down so the tab sticks to the back side. Fold over the tab to the front of the page. If you have followed these steps, then congratulations, you will have applied your very first Quran tab. You can now move the alignment guide to the next surah page. Repeat the same step, but this time use the next tab template. Continue all the way down your mushaf until the last tab, then continue from the top again.